guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to give you the best recipe and the laziest recipe you can ever do. It's about lazy cake without butter and without condensed milk. So let's start. So for the recipe, we're going to put the ingredients right now. You need 3 tablespoons of milk powder. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to add sugar. So we're going to add 8 tablespoons of sugar. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of cacao powder. I'm using the unsweetened cacao powder. So we're going to add 4 tablespoons. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. So I will mix them and then I'll come back. So I mixed them and right now we're going to add 1 cup of water. And we're going to mix. I'll see you when I finish mixing them. So right now you're going to need 3 packages of biscuits, of plain biscuits, okay? We're going now to just do them like this, and then we'll add them to the mixture. I'll see you when I'm done. So right now I'm going to pour the biscuits over here. And I'm going to mix. So that's the final look. Right now we're going to put it in shape, and then we're going to refrigerate it. We're going to put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours, and then we're going to cut it and it's ready to be served. So I came with this and I put a paper here because I'm going to put the mixture over here and refrigerate it, so when it's done I can actually pull it out and cut it into small serving pieces. So right now we're going to put the mixture over here. So that's it. I'm going now to just, cover it, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours, and I'll see you when 3 hours are passed. So the recipe is done. Right now I'm going to wait 3 hours, at least 3 hours, for them to be like a stone, you can say, that I can cut them into serving pieces when they're done. But I'm going to put a link down in the description box for you to go and check it out. It's a recipe for lazy cake also, but it's with condensed milk if you want to go and check it out. No butter included. So yeah, the link will be down. So yeah, go check it out, and then I'll come back here and cut them into serving pieces and show you the full and final result. So it's been 3 hours right now, and I'm going to cut them into serving pieces. Look at this. I removed the paper, by the way, and then I remembered I have to show you. So yep, let's cut them and then I'll come back. After 3 hours, they are done. Right now, just look at how good they look. So we're going to eat them, like 2-3 pieces, and then we're going to put them back in the fridge. I'll put some cocoa powder on them, as you can see, so they are not sticky. And yep, that was everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications, and comment down below if you're going to try this recipe. And don't forget to check the link in the description box for the other recipes, and for the lazy cake recipe with condensed milk. And with that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.